Of the, well, I guess a little background. I saw a video by Matthews. What is it? Matthews Random Projects. I think it is. I think it's right. And he is one of those, like, comparisons with home, like, do-it-yourself filters, and using, like, he had one or two. I think he had two 20 by 20, and he noted how, like, the MERV11 ultimately filter is what made a difference with using the box fan design, the two box fans actually designs he had. But so I was like, well, I got a roll of tape. It's probably not gonna be $1 at the dollar store, but you can probably, a couple bucks. And I had like three, I think I found ultimately, of at least of the 16 by 25 by 4s, because I was thinking, well, I have a 16 by 25. I think I measured it, fit a 2 in there, but I'd have to do a lot more work to get a 4 in there. And but these two happen to be crushed. So you can see this side was crushed. So basically what I do is take some cardboard, kind of, give a little more of an angle to the surface, so it wasn't just completely covering, so I could get air coming in throughout the whole volume, I guess you could say, the surface area of the filter. And basically, I can probably just leave this as is and just vacuum this side over time. As needed to be a little challenging, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I think he was claiming he just vacuumed his filter over the last 3 years and works great and is using the same filter in the test. So, and this should actually be a 4-inch filter, flow a lot better. And I already had, I have 3 of them. So I've got another. Actually, I forget if this was free or not. It might have been here and not working. Basically, I cleaned it out really well. Actually, I just cleaned it again. I lubed the bearing again also, because those bearings, they might not work, or they move slow, or they're just, it's not good. Ideally, you have a inline current meter, like a kilowatt meter, to see, like, maybe if you can tell a difference of what it's rated and how it's performing, and maybe gives you an indicator needs to be cleaned, needs to be lubed. Hopefully the bearings or bushings or whatever it has are still good. This one seemed good. I just lubed it again with some, actually I used Trifle. I don't know if I should on this, but I did. Yeah, tape this thing all up to get one of these 16 by 25 by 4 MERV11 filters on here, and I'm going to leave it as is. So, okay, figured I'd share that. Be safe, stay healthy, make sure Christ is with you, and read. Make sure you read all whatever I'm talking about, too. You can watch videos nowadays also, but it's good to read the specs so you can read into what the specifications are. Really, the MERV11 filter is not the best. True HEPA is going to be a MERV17 or better. So this isn't really a HEPA filter, but still should help pretty good down here, so get some particles out of there. And it motivates me also. I wanted to kind of, you can basically homebrew on one of these even for the price of a filter and a box fan, even though the price has gone up. You probably even buy the kit to get the particle counters. The microcontroller, I don't know, combined it might cost more, but maybe if it's from China, I don't know, there's a clone version. But hopefully it inspires somebody out there to clean their hair up, I guess, if they need to. If they don't, whatever. But I just was like, man, these have been sitting around. I've got a box of 20 by 20s. I got 2 for free, but some of those are just like a pre-filter. I think one of the filters in there might have been useful enough for a box fan, but the rest were just kind of like the fiberglass ones that aren't that great of me as a pre-filter. Anyways, okay, take care. Bye for now. Be safe. Until next time.